Soil is the most important part of any garden. It is the very bedrock upon which your garden's health and vitality depend. Without good soil, even the most diligent gardener will struggle to achieve the lush, vibrant garden they dream of. It's the foundation where plants grow and thrive. Healthy soil is teeming with life, from beneficial bacteria and fungi to earthworms and other organisms that help break down organic matter and release nutrients. Good soil provides nutrients, water, and support for your plants. It acts as a reservoir, holding water and nutrients that plants need to grow. The structure of the soil allows roots to penetrate deeply, anchoring plants and giving them access to the resources they need. Understanding your soil type is crucial for gardening success. By testing your soil, you can determine its pH level, nutrient content, and texture. This information is vital for making informed decisions about what to plant and how to care for your garden. There are many different types of soil. Each type has its own characteristics and challenges. For example, sandy soil drains quickly but doesn't hold nutrients well, while clay soil retains water but can become compacted and hard. Each type has its own unique properties. Loamy soil, often considered the ideal garden soil, is a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay. It has good drainage, nutrient retention, and structure, making it perfect for most plants. These properties affect how well plants grow. Plants in loamy soil tend to thrive, while those in sandy or clay soils may struggle unless the soil is amended to improve its structure and nutrient content. Knowing your soil type helps you choose the right plants. Some plants are well suited to specific soil types. For instance, succulents prefer sandy soil, while many vegetables thrive in loamy soil. By matching plants to your soil type, you can create a more successful and sustainable garden. It also helps you amend your soil for better results. Adding organic matter like compost can improve soil structure, increase nutrient content, and enhance water retention. Soil amendments can transform poor soil into a rich, fertile medium for plant growth. In this guide, we'll explore the secrets of different soil types. We'll delve into the characteristics of sandy, clay, and loamy soils, and provide tips on how to work with each type to maximize your garden's potential. We'll look at their benefits and how to use them in your garden. By understanding and nurturing your soil, you can create a thriving garden that brings joy and beauty to your life. Sandy soil is known for its gritty texture. When you run your fingers through it, you can feel the coarse grains slipping through, almost like tiny pebbles. It's made up of small particles of weathered rock. Over time, these rocks break down into smaller and smaller pieces, creating the sandy soil we see today. Sand particles don't stick together well. This loose structure means that the soil can be easily blown away by the wind or washed away by rain. This creates large air spaces within the soil. These air pockets are crucial because they allow roots to breathe and grow more freely. These spaces allow water to drain quickly. Unlike clay soil, which can become waterlogged, sandy soil ensures that excess water flows away, preventing root rot. Sandy soil is light and easy to work with. Gardeners often find it effortless to dig and turn over, making planting and cultivating a breeze. It warms up quickly in the spring. As the sun's rays hit the ground, sandy soil absorbs and retains heat faster than other soil types. This makes it ideal for early sowings. Gardeners can get a head start on the growing season, planting seeds earlier and seeing quicker germination. However, sandy soil doesn't hold nutrients well. The large spaces between particles mean that essential nutrients can easily be washed away. Nutrients are washed away easily when you water. This leaching effect can leave plants starved of the vital elements they need to thrive. This means you need to fertilize sandy soil more often. Regular applications of organic matter or commercial fertilizers can help replenish lost nutrients, ensuring your plants stay healthy and productive. Adding compost can also improve sandy soil. The organic matter helps to bind the particles together, increasing water retention and nutrient holding capacity. Mulching is another effective strategy. A layer of mulch on top of sandy soil can reduce evaporation, keep the soil cooler, and add nutrients as it breaks down. With the right care and amendments, sandy soil can support a diverse range of plants. From vegetables to flowers, a well-maintained sandy soil garden can be both beautiful and productive. Clay soil is the opposite of sandy soil. It's made up of very fine particles that stick together tightly. This creates a dense, heavy soil that doesn't drain well. Clay soil is rich in nutrients. It holds onto water and nutrients for a long time. However, clay soil can be difficult to work with. It's heavy and sticky when wet. It becomes hard and compacted when dry. Silt soil falls between sandy and clay soil. It's made up of fine particles that are smooth to the touch. Silt soil holds moisture well, but also drains reasonably well. It's fertile and easy to work with. Silt soil is often found near rivers and streams. It's a good choice for growing a wide variety of plants. However, silt soil can be prone to erosion if not managed carefully. Section 5. Loam soil, the gardener's best friend. Loam soil is considered the ideal soil type for gardening. It's a perfect balance of sand, silt and clay. Loam soil has excellent drainage and aeration. It also retains moisture and nutrients well. Loam soil is easy to work with and supports a wide range of plants. It's the dream soil for any gardener. Section 6. Peat soil. Acidic and moisture retentive. Peat soil is a unique type of soil that has been formed over thousands of years. It is created from the slow decomposition of plant matter, primarily in waterlogged conditions. This process occurs in peat bogs, which are wetlands that accumulate peat, a deposit of dead plant material. The formation of peat soil is a slow and gradual process, taking centuries to develop. Peat soil is easily recognizable by its dark brown or black color. This rich dark hue is a result of the high organic content and the long-term decomposition of plant material. One of the key characteristics of peat soil is its high acidity. This makes it suitable for acid-loving plants. Additionally, peat soil has an exceptional ability to retain moisture, which is beneficial for maintaining consistent soil hydration. Due to these properties, peat soil is often used in potting mixes. It helps to improve the moisture retention and structure of the mix, providing a better growing environment for plants. Gardeners frequently add peat soil to other soil types to enhance their structure and moisture holding capacity. This amendment can be particularly useful in sandy soils that drain too quickly or clay soils that are too compact. However, it's crucial to use peat soil sustainably. Over-harvesting of peat can lead to the depletion of peat bogs, which are vital ecosystems. Peat bogs play a significant role in carbon storage and biodiversity. The destruction of these bogs not only impacts the environment, but also contributes to climate change. Therefore, sustainable practices in peat harvesting and usage are essential to preserve these important natural resources for future generations. Section 7. Chalk soil. Alkaline and free draining. Chalk soil is made up of small particles of calcium carbonate. It's alkaline in pH and free draining. Chalk soil can be light or heavy depending on the other particles present. Plants grown in chalk soil may need additional nutrients. Some plants thrive in alkaline conditions. These plants are well suited for chalk soil. Section 8. Choosing the right soil for your garden. Selecting the right soil for your garden depends on the plants you want to grow. Consider the drainage, nutrient content and pH of the soil. For most plants, loam soil is ideal. If your soil isn't ideal, you can amend it. Adding organic matter like compost improves soil structure and fertility. You can also adjust pH using lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower pH. Section 9. Happy gardening. Understanding your soil type is the key to gardening success. By choosing the right soil and amending it appropriately, you can create the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. Remember to test your soil regularly, add organic matter, and choose plants that are well suited to your soil type. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a thriving and bountiful garden for years to come.